I,
Sri Hagrama Mohilari, do swear in the name of God, affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as the Chief Executive Member of Bodoland Territorial Council, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will.